Welcome to Mechanical Tutorials. I'm going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. Hi, today I'm going to explain about jog feature in sheet metal module. So this is the simple component. So I'm going to create one jog feature on this. So select the face and select the jog feature. So now we are in sketcher mode. Simply draw one line. This is 15. Say OK. And select the fixed face. So you can see the jog feature is created. Here when I select this option outside offset, so the height whichever I have taken as 8 mm, it calculates from this edge to outer edge of the jog. If I select inside offset, it calculates from inside edge of the jog and inside edge of the base flange. And if I select this, it will calculate from outside edge of the base flange and outside edge of the jog. Now let's come to the jog positions. Here if I select this bend center line, it will be exactly at the center of the bend. See the arrow wherever it's showing, it is exactly at the center of this bend line. If I select a material inside, so the bend line is coincide at this point. If I select this, bend line will be coincide to this point. And if I select bend outside, the bend starts from the sketch line. And we can set the angle also, like 120. These bend allowances are similar to edge flange. So K factor, bend allowances, bend deduction and bend calculation. So say OK. So feature is created. Now I am going to explain what transition happens to the blank when we make a jog and what we can see the change in the flat pattern. So this is the initial component. So after creating jog, it looks like this, and when I create flat pattern, so it changes like this. Now I'm going to show you the difference. See, when initial component is having distance of 10.6 between these two edges, but when I create this jog, also the value is 10.6. that means, so it exactly calculates to the end of this edge. So the jog forms exactly at this location, extend up to this location. But when I make the flat pattern, this length increases because of this bend. because of this bend, this length is increasing. So the gap between these two edges reduces 5.9. Here is 10.6 and here is 5.9. So when we design any feature with jog, we should be careful while deciding this distance, because if I increase this height, the software creates the jog feature, but when we go for manufacturing, it is impossible. So this is the limitation of a jog feature. So we should be very much careful while deciding the height of this jog. So this is a brief about jog feature. Thank you.